All right, guys, I'm very sorry to let you know that I've been hacked. And I remember not, I think it was on the August 9 this year, I told you that I'm hesitant about continuing rendering my services. And because I've had a lot of people who are like opening up all these fake accounts under my name, right? Well, recently it's gone more to that just fake accounts. They've actually hacked me. So this is me, by the way. This is this Bond Trader bots on my group. That is me. I'm controlling it via my PyCharm. This is I wrote this message here. Greetings, traders. This is Bond Trader. I've been hacked, right? So this is just me to make sure that you guys get the message that's okay. I'm leaving Telegram, right? There's a lot of scams. Well, I think they're just trying to get access to my codes because they want to have these robots like the source code and all that. Well, this time around, they actually found my Exodus wallet, this one, and they actually took my account, my all the funds I had in there, and yeah, they sent it to themselves. So this is just me confirming that I'm no longer using Telegram. Well, I am for now, just for messages. Just if you guys want to call me and confirm that I've been hacked, yes, you can call me. But I'm moving to Discord, as you can see. This is my Discord handle. You can just message me at Bond Trader, hashtag 9568. That's me, right? Yeah, Discord is much safer. So yes, I had my um wallet here, and then they took out all the funds that I had in there. So if you see this message here, this is the one I've just wrote here. Just this is the only way I can get access to my account through since I know a bit of Python. So I coded my way to just send you this message. And yes, I did mention in the message that I will make a video. So this is the video. I hope you guys will just reach me up. You can message me right now on you can message me okay, here's my just for Telegram. If you want to message me on Telegram, you can let's go here. It's just at bond trader underscore spay, right? But I'll post this in the description of this video. All my new links will be in the description of this video. Everything else is old news. Just know whoever you're chatting to is not me. So just try and make sure that you do always call, or just make sure that you're talking to me. I know a lot of people were lined up to buy the robot, but you will buy it from the wrong person. So make sure you call me first. Maybe call me here on Telegram, but this is my new number. And this is my handle here on Telegram. But I'll leave everything in the description of this video. Anyway, that's it, guys. But besides, even though we're gonna start from one member, I think they did this the last time, like a couple months back. We had about 1,000 members, and then we started back from 0 members, and now we were about 700 members, almost 800 members, and again we're starting from zero. So I'm gonna do this. The first 100 members to hit me up, I'm gonna give you a trial out on both the robots. All right, I'm going to give you a trial on both on both the binary options robot for binary.com and the one for IQ option. So anyway, yeah, that's it, guys. Take care. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for your messages here on Telegram and on my Discord. So you can just download Discord and message this number. This is my email, by the way, the one I use for Skrill, right? Anyway, that's it, guys. Take care. This is Born Trader.